Hi guys. Hi, my name is Miral and this is my first video of 2021. So in this video, I'm going to be showing you guys my fidget collection. Like my whole fidget collection, not like part 1 and part 2 or part 3, like my whole collection in this video. Okay guys, let's grab our first fidget. Okay, first I have is this purple marble mesh, and this is actually one of my biggest marble meshes. So I ordered a fidget pack in like an year ago. I don't remember, but this was the largest marble mesh in the pack, and let's do another color. Ooh, so now we have the pink color, and this is my favorite because the pink color is actually my favorite color. And let's do another one. Okay, now we have the yellow one. This is actually pretty good. And lastly, we have this green marble mesh. But this one actually broke. I don't know who broke it. Like, I was playing with it and it went like boom. And I looked at it and I was like, oh no, my marble mesh broke. My mom would kill me because this was actually really expensive because the fidget pack was like $50. So it was very expensive. So now we're moving on with the monkey noodles. Let's grab one. Ooh, so I grabbed a blue one. This is so fun and wiggly. It looks like a worm. Ooh, it's very stretchy also. Let's grab another color. Ooh, okay, now we have pink, my favorite color. Ooh, it's so cool and stretchy. Ouch. Ooh, now we have a green monkey noodle. I was about to say marble mesh. And lastly, I have is this yellow one. And now we're moving on with my hard stress ball. So let's grab one. Okay, first I have this one, and I actually have two of these. As I said to you guys earlier, when I ordered a fidget pack, these actually came extras. And yeah, now let's do my squishies. Ooh, okay, so first I have is this unicorn squishy, and I love this one so much. Like, it's so slow rising and soft. Let's do another one. Oh, look at what's down there. A basketball squishy. And this one is actually super duper soft and slow rising. I really love this one. Ow! Oh, look, it's a whale squishy, a galaxy whale squishy. That came out of nowhere. Okay, now I'm going to show you guys all my LOL squishies. Let's go. So first off, I have doll face, I believe. Next, I got this LOL squishy, and this one is one of my favorite. It's so soft, and it's the most slow rising one. Next, I have Fancy. Next, we got her in the glitter group. And this one is literally not a squishy. This is just like a piece of sponge. It's not slow rising. And lastly, we have the leader of the group, which is Queen Bee. So now we're moving on with my wacky tracks. So first I have is this orange and blue wacky track, and I love this one so much. So first I have this color, and the second one is a green and blue wacky track. I love these so much, like so much. Next we're gonna do my mochis. So I have 4 mochis, and 4 of them are cats. So yeah. First off, I have this yellow cat mochi, and this one is my favorite. Next we got is this pink cat mochi, and this one's my least favorite. You can see it's a little bit ugly. Next I got is this one, so cute. And lastly, I got this gray one. And now we're moving on with my puzzle ball. So here it is. It is a very fun fidget, but sometimes it gets too hard to solve, like you can see. But when I got my fidget pack, it was mixed up so badly, but I figured it out anyways. So yeah, this is a really cool fidget, and I think I recommend it a little bit. So yeah. Next, we're gonna do my stress balls. So first I have is this original stress ball, but it's all mushed. Like, look at that. There's not even Orbeez inside. It's all like mushed. And next one I have is this dinosaur stress ball. And I love this one super duper much. It's so satisfying when you squish it. And yeah, that's like all my stress balls, I think. No, wait, I have one more. And finally, I had this textured enable, but it broke. And now we're moving on with my Simple Dimple fidget spinners. So first I have this black Simple Dimple fidget spinner. And it spins well too, actually. See? And the noise is so satisfying. Next one. And finally, I have is this Simple Dimple white one. A white Simple Dimple fidget spinner. This one doesn't spin that well. You can see that it stops very fast, but I still like it. Now we're moving on with my pea poppers. So I have two. I used to have three, but one broke, and I got really sad. So here they are, and they all come in the same faces. You can see, but they're so satisfying. I love them so much. This is the second one. And yeah, next we're moving on with my bike chain. So here it is. I don't really use it that much. I don't really like it, but I think it's really cool. Just the design, not the toy. And now we're moving on with my acupressure rings, which are actually just hairbands. So I have 4, and let's grab one from the air. Oh, first I have is this yellow acupressure ring, which is used as a hair tie, like I said. But I think it actually looks like an acupressure ring. And let's grab a next color from the ear. Ooh, now we have a purple one. And let's grab another one. Ooh, we have a brown one. And lastly, this like pink one. So these are all my acupressure rings. Now I'm gonna show you guys a really weird fidget. So I have these like stackable DIY poppets, and I make them from like the coffee thing, like when you like there's coffee inside, which haven't made yet, but when you put it like in a coffee like maker and you made it. So I washed them really well because there were still coffee in them. So here they are. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and this one goes to the bottom so it can like stay like this. And you can see that there's like a poppet, like a dimple inside of it. And yeah, it's just really weird, and I don't know why I made this. And next we're gonna do my putty. Okay guys, so I stood up. I'm standing up because my knees were hurting, and they are red now. So yeah, I'm gonna show you guys the putty, and it's magnetic putty. And sorry if the video is really long. I promise you guys I'll be so quick. So yeah, here it is. When you stretch it really carefully, it stretches, but not all the way because sometimes it breaks. So here's the magnet. You can see it's moving a little bit. You can see that when you throw it, it sticks. So yeah, this is really fun, but I don't play with it that much because I have way cooler fidgets than that. And now we're on to my cool fidgets, and which is a fidget cube. So here it is. It is my dream fidget. Like, look at how cool this is. And let's show you guys all the sides it has. So first it has like these buttons inside. And let's do some ASMR. And if you switch it, it becomes like this like spinny thing. It almost looks like a joystick, but it doesn't have like this stick on it. If you move it again, this one is my favorite. It's the on off side, and I can just do this all day. It's just so satisfying. And if you move it to that side, so this is like a multiple side. It has kind of a lot of fidgets in it. Only 2 fidgets, I mean. So first, it has like this rolling ball that you can roll on it. It's supposed to click, but there is no clicking sound in the ball. So when I first like bought this, I was like, why the ball isn't clicking? I was like, oh no, it's broken. But this one is my favorite. It's so cool. And from the top, you can see this is a joystick. So yeah. Now moving on with my Nido. And believe it or not, guys, we just finished all of these fidgets. So I have just a little bit more to go. So here is my Nido, and this is the only Nido I have, so I really hope it doesn't break. Oh, I haven't played with this in a while. So it's a dumpling Nido, and if you don't know what dumpling is, it's like the food that they eat in like Korea or China, but this feels so much softer than a Nido. I can imagine it. And it has a container so like it can look real. And I really wanted the pink color, but they just choose a color by its own because I didn't tell them which color I want. And now, and guys, I'm saving the best for last, of course. And now we're moving on with the really popular fidgets, like puppets. So now I'm gonna do my puppets. So first I have is this really cool square tie-dye puppet, and this was one of my first puppets I have ever had, and I was so excited. But it's a little bit soft, you can see. But let's do some ASMR with it. And yeah. And first, I'm actually showing you guys all my tie-dye puppets first, and then we'll get on with the normal puppets. So as you guys can see, this is my first tie-dye puppet. Let's get on with the second one. Guys, I cannot find my... Oh! No! Oh my god, guys, the surprise was this much to be ruined. Oh my god. And guys, so I guess I only have this tie-dye puppet. I have one more, but I don't know where it went. So now I'm just gonna show you guys my normal puppet. So yeah. First I have is this Teal Among Us puppet. And of course, let's do some ASMR. Back side. And good side. Next one. Next I have is this square rainbow puppet, and this one is actually my brother's favorite. He loved this so much because he loved rainbow stuff. So here it is, bad side and good side. The good side isn't even good also. So yeah, next one. Next I got is this circle yellow puppet. I have way too many puppets. I mean, like, not way too many, but still a lot. Bad side and good side. Next one. Okay, guys, next I'm gonna show you all my plastic puppets. So yeah. First I have is this like blue plastic puppet. Bad side, and the good side is so good. Good side. Next one. I mean last one. Last plastic puppet I have is this super cool like rainbow plastic unicorn puppet. And very bad side and good side. So yeah, now I'm gonna be showing you guys my octopus flip puppets. So if you don't know what that means like like the legs of the octopus is poppet, and you can flip it, and it can make like different face or different colors. So yeah, I have two, so let's grab the first one. So first I have is like this purple and red one. So this is what I mean, like the legs of it are poppets. Good side. And this is the sad face, and let's turn it into a happy face. Perfect. Now it's happy. You can see that I did like this. And let's grab the second one from here. So here is the second color. Bad side and good side. And this one changes from this to this. So the face doesn't change, only the color change. But now, now we're moving on with, now we're moving on with my poppet watch. So I actually have a watch poppet, and let's show you guys it. Here it is. It's so cool. And this is the bad side and then good side. And I'm gonna wear it just for you guys. And the size of me is perfect. Like, the size is so perfect to my wrist, because it actually have a size changer also. Like, can you believe it? Like, look at this. I'm gonna wear it in the rest of the video. It's so cool. Now I'm gonna show you guys all of my dimples I have. Oh wait, no, we're not done with the puppets. I have two more left, but the final one I'm gonna show you guys after the dimples, because as I said earlier, this video, save the best for last. And now I'm gonna show you guys the final, like not the final, the after final puppet, and here it is. Whoa, it's huge. And I love it super duper much. And this is the bad side. And this is the good side. And it has over 100 bubbles to pop. And I just love this one so much. Like super duper much. Now we're on to the dimples. So first I'm gonna show you guys my 2 classic dimples. First I have this one, and this is actually my really dream fidget. Like I said earlier, like the fidget cube was my dream fidget, but this one is my really dream fidget. My grandmother actually bought it for me, and thanks a lot, grandmother. And this is the second one. So the big button broke, you can see. I don't know how it happened. Like I was playing with it and it just broke. Like I don't know how. And now I'm gonna show you guys my dimple digits. So yeah, here it is, and it is a red one because this was the only color they had, but I don't care. Look how good it is. Oh, it's so cool. And this is the bad side and good side. And now I'm going to show you guys my mini dimple digits fidget spinner. So here it is, and it spins so cool, like it could hypnotize you guys. It can even hypnotize me. This is the bad side and this is the good side. So yeah, next I'm going to show you guys my unicorn dimple. So here it is. As I showed you guys earlier, I had a unicorn plastic puppet, but this is a dimple this time. And my last dimple, oh my god, which is my controller dimple. Oh my god, guys, you have no idea how tired I am right now. And now for the finale, my world's biggest puppet ever. Are you guys ready? In the count of 3, I'm gonna bring it to the whole world. 3, 2, 1! Oh my goodness! Look how big it is, you guys! This is my world's largest fidget I have in my collection. It is a ginormous butterfly puppet, a rainbow one. And look how huge it is. Look at the size compared to my face. And look at my head. It's way bigger than my head and face. You can see it's huge. And this is the bad side. This is the good side. Oh my god. And guys, finally, that is end of the video. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye guys.